Hello again, everybody. It's Paul Rogers here. Listen, it's all about the house. That's what we're talking about. So I want to talk to you a little bit today about what a renovation loan is, or what I like to talk to people about is actually what is a home purchase upgrade type of loan. You're going to hear about these loans. They're called everything from an FHA 203K to a Fannie Mae renovation, even VA. So if you're a veteran like myself, you're going to want to know about a VA renovation loan to a piece of property. So when we get into what renovation loans are, do not, for the life of you, do not think about these as, oh my God, the house is going to fall down and it needs $100,000 worth of work, etc. It doesn't. Basically, what a renovation does is it puts money into the loan so that you can do the improvements before you move into the house or at the time you're moving into the house. And these improvements can be anything from the smallest of, let's say, the house needs a new roof, it needs a new sewer drain going out to the street, and maybe some new appliances, and maybe some finished fixtures. So what's $30,000 or $40,000 extra on your mortgage at, let's just say 5%? Or do you want to spend 29.99% on the credit card? And I'm going to take you through all of this and kind of give you a little bit of an example on when we're out looking for houses, what I'm out there to show my clients, and how all this works. So if you'll just click the like button on us, follow us on YouTube here. I'll be right back. I'm going to give you some more information. I want to tell you a little bit about myself and why it's important to hire a real estate agent as somebody like myself representing you. So we'll be right back. Stay tuned.